So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Bank of America stock, ticker symbol BAC in Canada on Questrade. So once you open up Questrade, go to the bottom left here to where it says buy and sell, the little green icon, and press on that. Then where it says search a symbol, as I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol BAC for Bank of America. At the top it says Bank of America Corporation, that's the one you want, press on that. Now once you're here, go to the bottom left, press on buy, then either select share quantity or dollar amount, type in whatever you have to type in, then go to the bottom, press on next, and then follow the remaining steps that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Bank of America stock, ticker symbol BAC in Canada on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.